Hello and welcome to the LA Auto Show 2019. We're here with two world premieres. The one car that I want to start with is the M2CS. The car has got 450 horsepower, 550 Newton meters of torque. We will have it with a manual transmission and it's so much fun to drive. From the exterior, you see on the first glance that we have a lot of carbon fiber. We wanted to create a very low center of gravity, hence we put a lot of carbon fiber to the car. To start with, the front skirt in carbon fiber, which has also an aerodynamic functionality. Going over the bonnet with the central air outlet offers function and very low weight. And in the side view, very obvious and very special on this car, we have matte gold rims and carbon fiber ceramic brakes. The rims are also available in a matte black paint job that also fits the other exterior colors very well. If you want to follow me to the side, carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber sandwich roof. And a very special interior. I'd suggest we take a quick look inside. The seats are a special combination, specially done for the M2CS, a mixture of Alcantara and red contrast stitching. We got a lightweight carbon fiber made center console, including Alcantara. You see the manual stick shift and the signature M Sports Alcantara steering wheel. On the right side of the dashboard, the CS engraving that shows the very limited edition character of this car. And last but not least, the interior door handles also in carbon fiber. Misano Blue Metallic is one color option, but we also offer the car in sapphire black, in Alpine white and in Hockenheim silver. So let's move on to the rear. Carbon fiber gurney. A carbon fiber rear diffuser. And we also made the exhaust system new to this car. It also offers M engravings. It looks spectacular and it offers a very distinctive and special sound. That was the M2CS. The favorite perspective again of myself is the rear, and probably the one perspective that most people will see of this car. But now I'd say we go to the next and second world premiere. It's the other end of our portfolio, and it shows that luxury and performance are no contradiction in BMWM. It's the M8 Grand Coupe in competition specification as here on the booth. Some of you will most likely notice the paint job. Last year in Geneva we showed a concept car of the M8 Grand Coupe, and this is the exact paint job. Aurora Diamond Green Metallic. It looks fantastic. We also combined it with the signature bronze gold elements of the concept car, which goes to the window frames but also to the rims. The color offers a very unique and distinctive design clue that is very special to this first edition model. The car, as we see it here, will be limited to 400 units, and it will be sold around the world, and it will only come in this color. The interior, by the way, is Taruma Brown, which is to me also a very special and very classy combination. Door sill covers also in bronze gold. And a badge on the center console. So, if you want to follow me to the front, because this is the last design clue we kept for the end. On the M8 Grand Coupe limited edition, we will show for the first time yellow Corona lights in the headlights. This is a racing signature element that you probably know from the M8 GTE race car. In my view, it looks fantastic, and it will only be available on those 400 cars. So, this is it. The luxury end of the M portfolio, and with the M2CS, the high performance and the race performance end of the portfolio. There is no conflict in the two areas within BMWM. It's great to be here in LA. Stay tuned for more news soon. Thank you.